Wow, so spoiled.
No.
No! No! No!
You're both.
Excuse me.
Let her record her video.
Just a video, not the voice. So thin.
You got your fingerprints all over it already.
Oh.
What the fuck? Is your YouTube channel gonna be all English? I
Yeah.
feel like you should speak Korean too.
In some videos, but mostly it's gonna be in English. Because I want to practice my English. Yay!
So,
Hello.
The short one's my favorite. He's so funny.
Hi everyone. Do you guys want to see my first note on my iPad?
Walk to the back and water to the back of the plant.
Here?
Yeah.
To that tree?
You can water up the.
This one needs water too. 'Cause they're dry. 많이 먹어라.
많이 먹으라. 많이 먹으라. 이거는 큰 tree.
큰 나무.
큰 나무. Ready? 1 minute. We'll start at 5 seconds. I'll tell you when to go. Ready? 4, 5. Okay, we'll start at 10 seconds.
자, explain the situation.
There was a bird and it hit the window.
I like to watch animal rescue videos, so this is what they do. We're gonna let him stay in the dark for a little bit and then bring it down and see how the bird is doing. Oh, that's true. And let's just stay away. Let's walk away and see if it flies.
Oh man, it flew away. We didn't catch it.
But it's there. We saw it fly so well. Yay! This is our first rescuing a bird. Success! Yay! Can you see it? It's there. Here.
Oh.
what time would you like to join us today? Hi everyone, I'm out in the, I don't know what's it called, what's this place called, like outside, because I brought my lunch today and I think it smells kind of strong, so I was a little bit embarrassed to eat inside the building, so I decided to eat out here and watch some videos. Channel?
Yeah, I saw it.
Oh, really? Hi. How small is the kids club? Hi, everyone. I am on my way to work, and today is my last day.